Actually, nag-chat lang po ako sa Instagram nila, hoping na I could, observe in this event. Pero he generously invited me to give a short talk about the IOC Young Leaders Program. So, next slide, Sir Andre. So who am I? I'm Alfonso Galvez. I'm 26 years old. I graduated with a business management degree in UP Clark and a diploma in exercise and sports sciences sa UPCHK. Yes, sir. So yeah, I was not an athlete growing up, but I've been a huge fan of sports. Just last year, I started playing volleyball, but nowhere near the level that of national athletes. But I took a chance. I applied to be an IOC Young Leader, and I'm lucky to be selected as part of the 2023 to 2026 batch. Next slide, sir. So what's the IOC Young Leaders Program? So youth, ang age group is 20 to 28 years old, are selected as agents of social change through sport. So 25 people, one per country. We're not guaranteed as the Philippines to get one slot. So I think kinakalat talaga nila to different continents. And lately, ini-impose rin nila yung gender equality sa number of participants. So 25 people are selected every 2 years to build their own sports-based social projects addressing the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. So what we're doing is, it's a 4-year program na tinuturuan nila kaming magtayo ng parang NGO using sports to address social issues like poverty, health, peace. So anything you're passionate about, sobrang daming opportunities. So sa batchmates ko, maraming Olympians, may athletes, may para-athlete, may sports enthusiasts, sports managers, doctors. So a very broad selection of people yung selected to be part of